Hello and welcome to another video. It's been quite a while, so I would like to apologize to the one viewer who watched my last one and the 0 subscribers that I currently have. I appreciate the view, whoever that was. Lucky you, I must say. But I wanted to make this video because I struggled to create my learning to, which is what I wanted for my username. As you can see, it didn't allow me to put it in. It wanted a last name, which isn't what I wanted. So I tried to create this brand account, which I'm not entirely sure the purpose of, but I tried it anyway, thinking it would do me good in this instance, but it didn't work. I got this 500 internal server error and this purple monkey up here. So what I found out was, after some digging, I went into settings, I clicked on edit on Google and came to my profile, and up here you can change your name. So I typed in learning to as one word, how I want it, and clicked OK, and here we are. It's changed my Google account name to learning to, and then it showed up on my YouTube channel also. As you can see, I'm struggling to find my way about here, how to get back onto YouTube, so I'll just go back to my other tab, and here you are. And I might as well just go to the home page, which refreshes, and here we are. As you can see, it's no longer titled Nib Richards, it's Learning To, which is the name that I've decided to have for this channel. So that was a very quick and easy tutorial there, how to change your YouTube name, and especially how to change it if you want to have it one word without having to put in a last name. So thank you, whoever may watch this. I hope I will get a couple more this time. If not, that's okay. But if I've helped one person, then that's great. I hope to upload a lot sooner this time. So exciting. Thank you. Bye now.